So hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. For people who know me and people who don't know me, hi, my name is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look. This is the Eid appropriate makeup look. So Eid Mubarak to each and every one of you. So if you are interested, then keep on watching till the end. So before starting off with makeup, make sure you wash your face really properly and then start your makeup. So before doing any makeup, I'm gonna do some skincare. So for that, I'm gonna be using a moisturizer. I use this in my every video. So this is what I'm gonna use. This is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. Always don't forget to moisturize your face really properly before doing your makeup. Next up, I'm gonna be using a serum. I'm gonna be using this NY Bay facial serum with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid helps our skin to shine and breathe properly. This gives a very smooth texture to our skin, so don't forget to use that. So after that, I'm going to be using a primer. This is the Blue Heaven primer. I'm going to be using this all over the T-zone of my face. Primers will help your pores to minimize a bit and it will help our makeup to sit really properly. So after that, I'm going to be using a sunscreen. This is the N Plus sunscreen lotion with SPF 50. Your face should have a nice layer of sunscreen before makeup because sunscreen helps to reduce all the sun rays to come inside your skin. So don't be harsh on your face because we have just applied a primer. Be soft with the sunscreen. Nextly, for cancelling some of the uneven skin from my face, I'm going to be using a concealer palette. This is from Max Touch and I'm going to be using this peach shade. So you guys must be thinking why I'm using a brush to apply my concealer. It's just because concealer gives more coverage than a beauty blender. Beauty blender absorbs more product and brush does not does that. So yeah, I'm going to be doing this. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay Fit Me foundation. This is a bit darker on my skin, so I'm going to be mixing it with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228. So here I have took both these shades and will mix both these shades with my finger. So this is how the shade looks like. If you don't have a foundation that matches your skin, don't worry. It's all upon the mixing of foundations. Mix 2 shades of foundation and you'll good to go. So here also I'm using a brush to blend my foundation. Don't forget your ears and your neck because we don't want the difference. For concealer, I'm going to be using this same palette. I'm going to be using this light shade. I'm going to be using this light shade. Always don't forget to conceal your eyelids as well because eyelids को हमेशा हम लोग conceal करना भूल जाते हैं and जो कुछ भी color pigment आता है वो ऐसा नहीं दिखता है जैसे हमें चाहिए होता है. So before my makeup starts moving here and there or starts creasing, I'm going to be baking it fastly. For baking, I'm going to be using my Johnson & Johnson baby powder, and for that I'm going to be using a beauty blender.
If you don't want to use any kind of baking powder and any sort of thing like that, you can use a talcum powder or a baby powder. I have used the Johnson & Johnson baby powder. It's very nice and gentle on your skin.
So for blush, I'm going to be using this Isle of Matte blusher from SFR Color. I'm going to be using this shade.
Let's bring some color on your face, so make sure you apply a very nice shade and your favorite shade of blush on your cheeks, on your nose and your chin.
After blush, I'm gonna switch into my eyes. So I'm gonna be going with a मतलब ऐसा लुक मैं क्रिएट करूँगी आइज़ का जो हर एक जो आपका कोई भी ड्रेस हो, मतलब अभी मेरा ब्लू है तो मैं ब्लू नहीं बना रही हूँ, ऐसा बनाऊँगी जो सारे के सारे कलर्स पे चला जाए. So the first color I'm gonna be using is from this palette. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. This is the shade Karma. I'm gonna be using this all over my crease for a transition shade. So nextly, for another transition shade, I'm gonna be using this shade in the between, and we'll be placing it a bit above, sorry, a bit downwards. So for my lids, I'm gonna be using this shade for my inner lids. And we'll just blend with this kind of brush. And for my outer corners, I'm gonna be using this shade, which is Hot Mess, and this Off Balance. I'm gonna be mixing both these shades and will apply on the outer corners of my lid. So nextly, I'm going to be using this kind of a angular brush, and I'm going to be taking this shade, which is Vortex, and I'm going to be just making it like a wing liner, and we'll be just smudging it एकदम smudgy what. So for my outer corners, I'm going to be using this shade of Balance. So nextly, for my waterline, I'm going to be using this NYX under eye pencil. This is in the shade 908 Seafoam Green. For mascara, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite Colossal mascara. So for eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade 02 Dark Brown. So nextly I'm going to be using a makeup fixer. I'm going to be using this Blue Heaven long lasting makeup fixer. Just shaking it a bit. So nextly I'm going to be using a highlighter. I'm going to be using this Milano Insta Glow highlighter. So for lipstick I'm going to be using two lipsticks. I'm going to be using this one lipstick first. This is the Face Up Lip Color in the shade M05. And the next lipstick I'm going to be using is this Blue Heaven lipstick in the shade 07. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this look and it was helpful to you guys. I tried to make it little minimal और जो मेरा आई लुक है थोड़ा सटल, ताकि जो कुछ भी आउटफिट आप पहनो उसके ऊपर ये अप्रोप्रिएट रहे, ताकि ईजी हो जाए सबके लिए. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as well. So see you next time. Bye.